Hype News. Mercedes CLA, a bold new electric era. Are you using a banned EV charging adapter? Many EV charging networks are cracking down on third-party adapters due to safety risks. Using an unapproved one could damage your vehicle or void your warranty. Can you own an EV without home charging? Public charging is expanding, but relying solely on it requires careful planning. Convenience, cost, and accessibility can make or break the experience. $4,500 off home backup for GM EV owners. Toyota expands EV charging access to underserved communities. EV sales surge despite uncertainty. How long will it last? Zeekr 001R spotted in California. Subscribe and stay updated.